How to trade meme coins, Beginner's Edition Part 2. Now that you have successfully bought some Solana from watching the first video in the series, you are closer to buying some actual meme coins. The following steps will guide you through the next process. Step 1. In order to buy meme coins, you need to use a wallet that accesses all of the meme coins, especially brand new and trending ones. Although there are several wallets to use, a very popular one is called Phantom Wallet. Go to your app store and download the app called Phantom Wallet. Step 2. Once you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device, create an account. It is very important that when you get to the point where it tells you that this is your wallet address and/or your private key, that you take a picture/screenshot of your screen as well as copy and paste this information in a note file or Word file. Step 3. Now that you have a Phantom Wallet, you are so close to getting started in trading meme coins. You need to transfer the Solana that you bought in Coinbase in video 1 to your Phantom Wallet. Think of it like transferring money from your bank account to another bank account. Step 4. On the home screen of your Phantom app, click on the button that says Receive. Then on the next screen, click on Solana. Near the bottom of the next screen, just above the Share button, click and copy your wallet address. This is the address of your wallet. Do not ever share this with anyone, as they would have access to your account. Step 5. Now that you have your wallet address copied, you need to open your Coinbase app. On the bottom of the home screen on Coinbase, click on the button on bottom right called Transfer. On pop-up menu, click on Send Crypto. Step 6. In the box under where it says Send Crypto to, you need to paste the address of your Phantom Wallet. When it asks what asset to send, you are going to click on Solana. On the next screen, it will tell you how much Solana you have and you can enter how much you want to send to your Phantom Wallet. Step 7. Once you click in the amount, click Preview. It will then ask you, where are you sending your Sol? Choose Self-Custody Wallet. On the next page, confirm the trade, then click Send Now. It usually sends right away unless Coinbase is extremely bust. All you need to do now is go to your Phantom Wallet and the Solana you just transferred should be there. Step 8. Now that you have successfully deposited Solana into your Phantom Wallet, you can begin your journey into the land of meme coins. Join me on our next video on where to find the meme coins and how to buy and sell them.